In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfriend someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and all we have to do at the first step is just find someone's user's Facebook profile that we would like to unfriend. The easiest way to do so is go to our Friends tab, then select Your Friends, and then just search for a profile you would like to unfriend. Let it be that user. We can just go to their profile. As you can see, it says friends here, and if we tap add friends, it will show us that options, and from here we can unfriend that user by tapping add unfriend. Then confirm it, and that's it. Now if we refresh their profile, we can see that now it says add friend, which means that we have just successfully unfriended that user.